Hello everybody, a friend of mine, Robert, got a new MG replica. It's got a Ford engine in it. We're going to be doing as much of a restoration on the whole car as possible. He wants to start taking it to some shows. But the paint, it's a fiberglass body with some metal mixed in, so the hood is metal, the fenders are plastic. There's a little plastic here too, mostly fiberglass though. He wants me to fix the rubber there, touch up the paint wherever possible that's not looking good, clean the wire wheels. I'm gonna have to get after those, polish it up basically, and then the other thing we're going to do is we're also going to paint some of the engine, the air filter cover and the valve covers, and then we'll polish all the chrome, get off any residue. Won't be messing with the wood pieces here, but I'll be working on everything else. Let's look at the paint real quick with this light. Maybe you can see it better, but you can see it's definitely got some spidering going on right here where it's actually, the paint looks like it's cracked. So I'm not going to be able to get that out, but just overall, the paint just needs some correction, it looks like to me. If you can see that. A little micro marring, things like that. And paint here, you can see. So we're just going to go over it, see what it looks like over here. Yeah, down in there you can see it's got some issues. It's gonna need some tissues, and got every angle in the book. So we'll get started on it. We're gonna do a decon, get it all prepped, wash, decon, clay it, and then polish it. Some places there we'll fix. Looks like he fixed some. Do the interior. We're gonna fix the seats up good, and carpet kind of pieces need to be glued in. And then this area here gets a lot of traffic, so looks like that paint right there has got some pretty bad spots. But we'll go over it. We'll see y'all in several hours. Before, and then this is after over here. See? The 50/50, this part of the hood has not been done yet. And then this side has. Line, bring out the shine. As before. And